Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate OneDrive to project online reporting. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Project online site. Sign in with your organizational account that has access to Project Online. Once logged in, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Site Settings from the menu options. In the Site Settings page, find the Site Collection Administration section. Click on Site Collection Features. Look for the feature titled SharePoint Server Enterprise Site Features. Activate this feature if it is not already enabled. Now, navigate back to the Project Online site homepage. In the top menu, click on Project to view your project details. Select the desired project to open it. On the Project page, locate the Reports tab. Click on the Reports tab to see the available reports. Now, choose the report that you wish to authenticate. Head over to the Data section on the Report page. Click on Edit or Add Data Source based on your requirements. In the Data Source settings, select OneDrive from the available options. You will be prompted to sign in to your OneDrive account. Enter your OneDrive credentials and click Sign In. Allow the necessary permissions for Project Online to access your OneDrive files. Once authenticated, you will see your OneDrive files listed within the report settings. Select the file you want to use for your report. Click Connect to link the OneDrive file to your Project Online report. Confirm the connection and check for any error messages. Once everything looks good, click Save to secure the settings. Now your OneDrive is fully authenticated and functional for use in Project Online reporting. You can proceed to generate reports using your OneDrive data as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.